Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Binance and logging in with 2FA enabled. This secures withdrawals. Once done, go to Wallet Fiat and Spot and find Usdt. Click Withdraw to reveal network options. You need to choose a network that matches the receiving wallet. Make sure the receiving address supports the network you pick, because choosing the wrong network can cause permanent loss. Note the fee and estimated confirmation time next to each network so you can make an informed choice. Next, compare the network list. TRC20 is usually low fee and fast, ERC20 has higher fees but wider compatibility, and BEP20 is native to Binance Smart Chain. You paste the destination Usdt address exactly, then verify the address prefix and last 4 characters to avoid mistakes. After entering the amount, Binance shows fee and minimum. Review the final received value to confirm it meets your needs. If everything matches, click Submit to trigger the withdrawal flow. Finally, confirm the withdrawal by completing email and 2FA prompts. You must approve on your device. Once submitted, copy the transaction ID and monitor it on the appropriate block explorer for the chosen network to track confirmations. If the transfer stalls, refresh the explorer and Binance history first. Key troubleshooting tip. If you accidentally sent Usdt to the wrong network, immediately contact the receiving wallet or exchange support, provide TZID, addresses, and screenshots. Recovery is possible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.